Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create some animation in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, animations in Filmora are the same for any animating software. All you will be needing is to start like changing properties uh, along the time. So in this video, I'm just going to focus on this shape. So I'm just going to make it in this timeline. And basically here we have this shape that will be showing in. So basically to start animating, I'm just going to make this shape to be small. And here we have our shape. I'm just going just to have it here. And basically you will be needing just to change properties of some shapes within in the time. So here we have our shape that will start in this moment, and basically we want to scale it, for example. So this is the transformation that we are going to create. So I want to add a keyframe. So basically here it will be at this moment it will be in some kind of properties, which is the scale. Now we want to scale it. So I'm just going to scale it to be this big, and I want it to change a position. So basically I want it to be like that. After that, I want it to go down. So basically, you can do this by manually by taking it here. And in this time, I want my video to do like that with the slight rotation. So now I want my video now to be reset. And basically, I also want to reset my transformation or my rotation. So now we will need just to go to the video, and here you will see that the video will be animating and it will be changing and the properties on however we have created it. And it seems that like our position keyframe has been changed, and also like the keyframe for our rotation wasn't like registered. But basically, the idea is as follows. We will need just to start like having keyframes and changing properties. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.